with over 13 years of experience in project management and training. And working in metro projects, road projects, building projects as a consultant. EBEES has created niche. We are working with Ernst Young for an expressway project as a project management consultant. With our experience and SOP, we save time for our clients. We have worked in building projects. We are working on a prestigious expressway project. We are working with Godrej and advanced switchgear on IGI airport project. If you want us to work with you to save your project time and cost, call us. We not only give consultation, we train as well. We have well-developed course curriculum for Primavera MS Project, AutoCAD, Revit, PLC, SCADA, web development, digital marketing. We have classroom as well as online training. All our in-house trainings are now conducted online for Primavera MS Project, PLC, SCADA, web development and digital marketing. Only our corporate batches are conducted through classroom mode. We provided 8 online trainings for Primavera during COVID-19 lockdown to Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Students can register for online training with us to give boost to their career. We have placed many students in top companies across India. For last 6 years, we are associated with CPWD for Primavera Training and Project Management Consultancy. For last 5 years, we are associated with Econ International for MS Project Training and Project Management Consultancy. We have provided trainings to other corporates like NHPC, L&T, HCC, Denso, Jackson Limited, ISJAC Engineering, and many more. For trainings and consultancy, contact at 9717-717164 or mail us at inquiry@ebeescorp.com.